Hey guys, welcome back. Come on in my kitchen while I show you how to make this delicious homemade cast iron skillet cornbread from scratch. So first up, you are going to heat a 10-inch cast iron skillet for 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven. I am adding vegetable oil to the pan. I don't cook by measurements. I just basically eyeball the amount. It needs to be just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. So what you just saw me add was 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal and 1/2 cup of flour. Now I am adding 1 handful of sugar. Next, you are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you're going to add just a sprinkle of salt. And also guys, this cayenne pepper that you see me adding is optional. Now I am mixing the dry ingredients together. And guys, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay girl, so now you are going to add the buttermilk. Again, just eyeball the amount, but it needs to be just enough to get the dry ingredients wet. And girl, don't add too much, because if you add too much, you are going to have a mess in your hands. So now you are going to add 2.5 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use any brand that you would like, just make sure that it is not sweet. So after you're done mixing the mayonnaise in, go ahead and crack open 2 eggs and mix that in. Now I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter to add to the batter. So now we are checking the batter. It needs to have the consistency of pancake batter. So I decided to add just a little bit more buttermilk. Okay, y'all, I need y'all to hear this, so stop everything. Listen to that sizzle. Did y'all hear that? If that oil does not sizzle when you pour that batter into the bowl, then that means that your oil is not hot enough, and that also means that your cornbread is going to stick to the pan when you take it out of the oven. So now just mix that oil until it's well incorporated. Now watch me pour this batter into the pan. Now you see the edges and you see how they are bubbling? That is what you want. That means that your pan is hot enough. So which cornbread do you like the most? Homemade cornbread or Jiffy? Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Now place this pan into a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Girl, look at how good this cornbread looks. I wish you could taste it. Listen to how crispy this is. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button on the way out. And until the next video, peace. Don't fall.